Hey everyone, are you tired of all the bookkeeping associated with rental properties? I'm Pierce Fraga with Tide Property Management, Director of Property Management. Today I'm going to be talking about all the benefits that a property management company can offer when it comes to all the back-end services that are associated with rental properties. First and foremost is financial management. This is a huge undertaking when it comes to your rental properties, making sure that you're getting your monthly statements. You have access to an owner portal, which is something we offer to our owners to see rent roll in real time. And it's also going to help on a yearly basis for any tax purposes and for any possible refinancing. Next is making sure that your units are being kept up to date. This is anything from ensuring you are getting market rent for your property to the leases are up to date and not expired 10 years ago, which we've seen with some rental properties that we've taken over with. And then lastly, making sure that all the accounts associated with each unit are up to date, whether it be electric, water, trash collection, you name it. Last is legal compliance. This is a huge thing can be a major headache, is making sure that you as a rental owner or landlord are being compliant with local and state laws, whether it be security deposit holding and refunds to posting notices and evictions. And then lastly, just staying up to date with the current laws regarding Landlord-Tenant Act. All of these are things that we can offer as a management company, and we'd be more than happy to talk to you about all the bookkeeping services we offer here at Tide. Have a great day.